Alright, EGR, Nissan Kicks, e-power. Alright, so they the EGR for the fit, not the fit, the kick, sorry. Alright, we clean it up. Alright, so time to put it back on the vehicle.
So we have your wrench going up.
Yeah.